All right, so today, special thanks to this company who sent me a women's rain jacket. Now, this one's more of a beige color. You can see they got all of their range, Defenson, give a sight, and, welded seams, windproof, waterproof, etc. So, look inside of that. That's pretty nice. Oh, wow. So it's hard to really show you this, of course, on an overhead rig, but this is a shield of water, size medium. Let me have my wife put this on, and we'll show you exactly how this would look on you. You like it?
You do.
Open it all the way? Very nice.
I kind of want to see what... Oh, they got pockets on the inside. Smart. Keeps stuff dry. I'm going to see what it would look like tied. It's long, man. I wouldn't be worried to get wet at all.
Really?
You could cover your whole dress or anything.
And you have a hood too, so you can put the hood up, and then, yeah, you're really... And that even buttons.
Yeah, there's all buttons.
Little strings to tighten it, looks like, and everything.
You wouldn't get wet at all.
No, it would keep every bit of rain off of everything except your feet.
But then that's why you wear your rings.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So you like it, my queen?
I do.
Perfect.
It's different. I like it. The material is like so soft, so smooth.
It'd be good for a rainy day, definitely.
Heck yeah. We have plenty of those in Georgia.
Yeah. Thank you, my queen.
Oh, you can tighten up your sleeves too. I'm sorry. It's much better.
You're good.
Better. See?
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome.